Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to customize your mouse cursor. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open or click this start button at the lower part of your screen and search for mouse. So just go ahead and click on the mouse settings. And after that, there are two ways to do this, okay? So I'm just gonna first show you the first way. So just go ahead and click on the adjust mouse and cursor size at the upper right side of your screen. And now you can just go ahead and choose here at the change pointer color. So just like that. And you can also choose the custom. And here you can choose any color that you want. Okay. So that is the first way to do it. So the second way is to just go ahead and click on the additional mouse settings at the upper right side of your screen. So you should see this little tab right here, and just go ahead and click on the pointers. Now here you can choose any type of mouse that you want. So for example, the normal type. So if you want to browse for more options, just go ahead and click on the browse button at the lower part of the tab. Now you can just go ahead and choose any type that you want. So I'm just gonna choose any type here. So I'm just gonna choose this one. So just go ahead and click on open. Now click on apply. And I don't know if you can see my mouse right now, but it's changed. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.